ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel piece of paper thin, like a house of cards dwindled from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet on the stream but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you, 'cause there's a spark in you, you just gotta ignite and let it shine, just on the night, like a flower touch of light. Let's go all the way tonight, no regrets, just love, now that we can dance until we die, you and I will be young forever, porque contigo yo escogí, ahora mi corazón te sufrí, bien simple lang iyong pedí, era sentido el gozayo y así te pedí milagro, pero el tiempo el mar y hace derecho, nadie mío eso te pidió, era un video contigo. And yes, I do regret how I could let myself let you go. Now the lessons learned, a touch that I was burned. Oh, I think you should know. Guess I'd rather hurt than feel nothing at all. It's a 1:45, I'm all alone and I need you now. And I said I wouldn't call, but I'm a little drunk and I need you now. And I don't know how I can do it up, I just need you now. Ay, me encantaba. Nakalitan what's up? Nakalitan ba man yun? No regret. Dugayan na tayo. Ito na. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag, different to the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel Piece of paper.
Balik. Pwede mo naman stop it. Stop na. Ayun na.
Nga na